everyone, this is Sam from 𝐤𝐸𝐤𝐿.com. Here's a video of another little Hijet that's going to be shipped out very shortly. This is not a khaki green colour one with the front fog lights, got the chrome grille and more modern type headlights. This one's a 2017. It's got the little hubcaps on it, very clean condition vehicle. This tray doesn't really look like it's been used, which is great. Drop sides all in nice nick as well. Battery cover on, you can see the chassis under here, very tidy. Three side drop, I've shown that in a lot of different videos, they're all the same, but still very useful. You can fold those down of course, and then load it with a forklift truck. Inside the cabin, still got some plastic pieces on it, Hijet mats. Start the engine up. This one's done 11,000 kilometers. About 6,000 to 7,000 miles, not very much at all. Automatic transmission on this one, so pretty easy to drive. Four-wheel drive button's just there. When I press that, four-wheel drive comes on the dashboard there, the light comes on, and the four-wheel drive system's engaged. The buttons are there for that. There's also the air conditioning and heater. Nice enclosed cabin, keep yourself warm, dry, cool. This truck is going to be sent out to the States very shortly. It's going to leave soon, and if you're interested in something like this, one of these trucks, this exact truck, or you want to sell these trucks and make some money for yourself as a distributor for us in the US, have a look on our website 𝐤𝐸𝐤𝐿.com. There's a lot of information on there about doing that and purchasing these trucks in general. So thank you very much for watching.